lot to talk about right now. Severe weather.
That we do. Severe thunderstorm warning still issued for parts of our area. So everyone just needs to stay weather aware here through the next several hours. So let's give you a live look outside over downtown Portland right now. The water droplets accumulating on our camera lens there as we sit at about 63 degrees. The good news is with all of this active weather, it will be coming to an end with drying and eventually clearing skies. A live look at our satellite and radar as the brunt of this front continues to march its way from the west to the east. This is exactly where the cold front lies, where all of the energy is associated with this latest thunderstorm activity. That's where a severe thunderstorm warning had cropped up right here. It looks like the National Weather Service just canceling that. So that is the good news, as it was potentially producing 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and also penny-size hail. Thankfully, again, the National Weather Service now canceling that severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Multnomah County, Clark County, and we are now seeing things slowly start to calm down. And as we lose the energy from the daytime heating, that too will help all of these thunderstorms come to a close. After our rain gauges have already managed to fill up to about a ½ inch of rain for Portland, likely to still see these numbers climb as the moisture continues to find its way into the bucket, as we've nearly seen about 3/4 of an inch along the coast. So a super soaking event to say the least today, as those winds right now out towards the Mount Hood Meadows area peaking at about 33 miles per hour. Relatively on the calmer side, but just persistent downpours potentially reducing visibility, especially as maybe your loved ones start heading home from work, as this latest cold front is the culprit for all of the active weather today. Those heavy downpours, the thunderstorm and tornado threat that has been persistent across our area will eventually be on the move as that front continues to push its way off to the east. Then we slowly start to calm our conditions down, see maybe some patchy fog develop late tonight into tomorrow morning as we subtly dry things out. Maybe a hit and miss shower for our friends just a little bit to the north, maybe potentially southwest corner of Washington. Also seeing the potential for a few wet raindrops for tomorrow, but overall our trend is on the drying trajectory. As we see some of that patchy fog developing through the northern Willamette Valley, that will eventually start to clear as we see still a few lingering clouds remain for tomorrow. But overall, the heaviest of the wet weather comes to a close today. We had forecasted that several days out in advance, saying that Monday was going to be the wettest day over the next week, and that definitely coming to fruition as the cloud coverage once again marches its way back on shore by the time we get into Wednesday afternoon. And overall, we are going to slowly start to see those temperatures gradually warm as the additional rain accumulation primarily falls this evening. Maybe an additional 1/10 to a 1/4 of an inch possible for parts of the I-5 corridor, just about the same for the coast. But again, as this front moves through, drier air starts to move in on the backside. 53 degrees is where we expect to fall to come tomorrow morning. The clouds slowly breaking apart. That severe thunderstorm threat really starting to diminish as our winds remain out the southwest at about 15 to 20. Calmer winds tomorrow as a few of those clouds start to break apart. We will see that fog layer start to mix out, and our daytime highs getting back up to about 68 degrees. 7-day forecast does put the 70s back on our 7-day forecast for Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday likely going to be the sunniest day over the next week as we see our temperatures then start to take a tumble. You will recall that Halloween typically brings about 58 degrees for that new normal daytime high. We'll get to that for the start of the week next week as our next round of the wet weather moves in, but at least the first part of next weekend likely on the drier side. But boy, what an active way to start off a Monday.
Yeah, and with our temperatures in the mid-60s, muggy outside.
It is.
But that's kind of a sign that that's unstable weather where we have rain and it's muggy, right?
Exactly. It really is kind of the fuel to the fire.
All right. Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
From the stage to